Hi guys, Nedeljko here, and today we will be talking about how to learn fast. So how to learn fast software development. Basically, we can say one biggest tip, and this is practice. When I say practice, you need to implement all the stuff that you read, all the tutorials and all the resources you have read into this practice. Because when you practice, we have this so-called active learning, which makes our brain to think harder and to reconsider why something is working and why something is not working. Also, you need to prepare some other stuff like a passive learning. So these tutorials, they belong to this area of passive learning. When you read any resource on the internet, for example, and when you watch all these YouTube videos, you get so-called passive knowledge because your brain just acknowledges that this exists, but when you start to implement this, you will face some obstacles and some issues. That being said, is my tip for you to fast learn and to get into the software development world is basically to practice. If you're starting out with a web development, then crack on with HTML, go with the basic possible website, basic application. You just structure the HTML, you add a little bit of CSS just to know how this works. And if you can implement a little bit of JavaScript, even better. But you should implement it. You should practice, and by implementing and practicing, you will learn more and more. Another important thing that will follow up is basically you will know how and where to find a solution for the issues that you might face. For example, if you have seen a tutorial on how to build a JavaScript application or JavaScript frameworks, you will eventually get to the point to learn what is essential, and you don't need to learn everything in your head, like the data structure, how everything works, how HTTP requests function, what is the backend, and how to authorize and all that, so to say, fancy stuff. But you will need to step up in doing every day a little bit of coding. So you can assign, depending on how much time you have, because probably you're working or you're studying, you need to allocate some time. My advice to you guys is basically to allocate even 15 minutes, 20 minutes, because programming is programming can get you deeper into the resolving some problems that you face. For example, with this basic HTML application, when you start to develop, you will be intrigued, so to say, why is this working that way, how you can make it better. But I will strongly urge that you just keep on practicing and just keep it simple, just so to say, baby steps, small steps, and you will get there. If you skip today, no drama, but do not skip it, for example, tomorrow. Just keep on practicing, implement whatever you see, and try to avoid this extended features that you might see. For example, you start up with a basic website, and all you want to do is to present your portfolio. So just kind of go with that portfolio. Don't add additional stuff like, I don't know, members area, login page, whatever. Keep that on the side. So this will follow up later on. Keep up the good work. We will be posting more and more of this free quality content, and hopefully if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, and we will be also leaving in description more information of on how to be better and how to get faster. And if you can allocate a little bit of time every day. If you're working and you don't have that time, you're tired, then you can have weekdays or weekend on weekend, and on weekend you can also do a little bit of practicing or code implementations. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.